In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access hidden settings on the DuckDuckGo web browsers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the advanced options in DuckDuckGo and how to expand them so you can adjust the settings you need. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. On your device, launch the browser as you normally would and wait for the start page or any open tab to appear. Make sure you're in DuckDuckGo, not another browser, so the menus and options match what you'll see here. Next, click the menu, the three dots in the top corner. Look toward the top edge of the window. The three-dot icon may be vertical or horizontal depending on your platform, but it will be clearly visible near the toolbar. Click or tap it to open the menu. From here, select Settings. In the menu that appears, find the Settings option and choose it. This opens the DuckDuckGo Settings screen, either in a new page or within the same tab. Give it a moment to load so that all sections are visible. Now scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Use your mouse wheel trackpad or the scroll bar and move all the way down. DuckDuckGo places some of the more technical or less frequently used controls near the end to keep the main settings simple, so you'll want to reach the very bottom. Once you're at the bottom, look for advanced or additional options. You're scanning for labels like advanced, additional options, more settings, or a similar heading. Sometimes this appears as a collapsible section with a small arrow or caret that indicates there's more content hidden underneath. If you don't see it immediately, slow down and check the spacing and headings carefully. It's usually right at the end of the list. Click to expand and view hidden settings. If you see a disclosure arrow, click it to expand the section. If it's a link or a button labeled advanced, click it once to reveal the extra controls. The page will unfold or jump to a subsection that contains the hidden settings. You should now see more detailed options that weren't visible before. At this point, adjust the settings you want. Work methodically. Most controls will be simple toggles, checkboxes, or drop-downs. Read the brief descriptions next to each option so you know what you're changing. Many of these are designed for power users and can affect how the browser handles privacy, security, and site behavior. If you're unsure about a particular item, change one thing at a time and test your browsing as needed. You can always return to this section and switch a setting back later if the result isn't what you expect. Changes in DuckDuckGo typically apply immediately, so you should see the effect right away as you continue browsing. If you need to review more than one area, you can collapse the advanced section after you're done to keep the page tidy. Then return to the top using the scroll bar. Whenever you want to revisit these hidden settings in the future, follow the same path. Menu, Settings, scroll to the bottom, expand Advanced, and make your adjustments. That's it. You've opened the DuckDuckGo browser, used the three-dot menu to enter settings, scrolled to the bottom, revealed the advanced or additional options, and adjusted the hidden settings you needed. Your configuration is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.